Money can't be my only motivation. The world too big, everything saturated. I'm just trying to live life and make it amazing. Never was the path clear, I'm going through mazes. Trying to learn from what I know, not from what I'm thinking. The world crazy.
Yo, Zaktawkstv, man, checking in with the gang. Right now we are live downtown Cincinnati, man. So I'm in between transactions right now, man, so I just figured I'd get out, just walk down here real quick. I feel like I'm in a illegal parking space, so we kind of stressed for time, you dig what I'm saying? So I'm just walking through real quick, cause I ain't did shit else today, you know what I'm saying? Nigga just been working, that's it. And it's feeling good out here today too. But it's a nice Monday, you know what I'm saying? Feeling good out here. The river right here. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough through the park real quick, just to see what's going on. Let's see what we got going on back here. Once again, man, make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage, you dig? We got Mary, Lucy, and Bill out here chilling. Okay, it look like they got some new, hey, how's it going, man? Look like they got some new artwork down here. As you can see, they got this new wall. Statues are still here, so I can see. Oh, photo, nice.
Good job.
Yeah, it's a definite nice day today. For sure. I'm gonna walk down here, like I said, man, I gotta be quick. I gotta be quick. They might ticket my shit. You know what I'm saying? So, check out the maze. Okay, it looks like it's a lot of people down here, so we're about to check out what they got going on down here. Now, like I said, man, it's like perfect weather out here. Look, another photography. So this the spot when you want to get them pictures done, bro. This the spot you want to hit up for sure. Walk through, quick walk through. But we gonna check out that side on part 2. You dig what I'm saying? I'm about to do a U-turn right here and head back to the car. To the motherfucking car. Look at the greenery though, bro. Oh, that's the fuzzy plants. Ain't that some shit? That's them fuzzy joints. That's crazy. I always seem to bend down and touch them type of plants for some reason. But yeah, man, I'm about to head on out. Like I said, make sure y'all remember to like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. As you can see, okay, Smale Riverfront Park. Let's see if we got. I don't see no ticket on there, so we should be good. We should be good for now. Let's see. Man, I want to slide on the scooters for real, bro. Look, that motherfucker ready to go. That's what I might do tonight for real. Strap it right on my, I might put it on my head like this. Like that. Or on my chest like this. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Either one of those will work. Oh, we left the door unlocked. Fuck, we leave the door unlocked.
16 bun a boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. Sing.
So that concludes that, man. We're about to head out here, do some trips, man. See if we can get some cheese. Anyways, make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. back out here, but I'm probably just gonna chill in the parking lot for real.
That looks like that'd be fun now.
Oh shit! I'm leaving my phone and my keys, bro. What the fuck wrong with me? Zaktawkstv, man. Make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more exclusive footage. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna be dropping some new shit here soon, man. We got a bunch of hood tours coming up. I was supposed to do a hood tour today, but it's rainy and dreary outside. This wouldn't be a good video, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna wait to do that, man. But when it do happen, it's gonna be big. So stay tuned.